Do you know the purpose of your food? I'm gonna give you another recipe of my favorite, eye of round. I'm a big fan of red meat because red meat comes with a lot more micronutrients, more iron, and it comes with more zinc. About a great cooking technique for eye of round is using sous vide, which means in a bag. You're basically surrounding the meat with hot water for an extended period of time, and it comes out so amazingly tender. So I luckily have a freeze packer, but you could also just simply put it into a regular bag. But I do pre-marinate it with Montreal Steak Spice and olive oil. Now I pull it out of the freezer at any point, and I can cook it for about 8 hours, and it's ready to go. Then I just need to finish it off by searing it in a pan, or I could sear it also on my barbecue to give it that nice seared taste. And then when it comes out, it is amazing how tender it feels for being a much more affordable form of red meat and still nice and juicy. Remember, it's protein, energy, and micronutrients, so team it up with some veggies and some sort of carb or fat source, and you got yourself a well-balanced meal.